Hi everyone, this is Sanjeev and welcome back to a new video. So guys, in this video I will tell you about TCS NQT examination that is going for 2023 batches, and last date guys 29th of August, but due to some server crash 25th exam has been scheduled to 3rd of September. Okay, so when your result will come and what will be the expected cutoff, we will discuss in this video guys. Okay, so let's start with result guys. So when your result will come guys, in next month, in the month of October, your result will definitely come. But guys, as an interview point of views, you can prepare for interview and assume that your result will come this month last week. Okay, so in the month of September last week. Okay, so guys, what will be the cutoff for this examination? Okay, so let's start with syllabus guys. Already we have discussed in detail about the syllabus in this channel. If you go through our previous video, you can able to find what will be the syllabus. So guys, syllabus is foundation and advanced section. Okay, in foundation section guys, you have numerical ability, reasoning ability and verbal ability. So these are the section in foundation section guys. If you clear the first foundation section, then you are able to get file for Ninja profile. Okay guys, why I am telling if you clear the foundation section, your chances will high for getting Ninja profile, because in last guys, some of my juniors also get profile Ninja just after clearing the aptitude parts, and now the syllabus has changed, but this time maybe also same. Okay, so if you clear the foundation section, you can able to get profile of Ninja, and salary for the Ninja profile guys 3.6 LPA, and for digital profile 7 LPA. Okay, and guys, let's discuss about second, that is advanced section. In the advanced section guys, you are having advanced reasoning, advanced aptitude, and after that coding section. Okay, so in coding you have 2 codes, and for that time is divided. Okay, so if you are looking for digital profile guys, you must have clear at least one coding successfully executed, and if you have attempted the second coding, then you are eligible for advanced profile guys. So these are what will be the percentage cutoff for TCS examination. Okay, so guys, in TCF there is no any sectional cutoff. Okay, but at least we have the some passing marks. Okay, so in TCS guys, average cutoff will be 70%, but it might be vary 5 to 10% depending on how a student have performed in the exam. Okay, so but average cutoff will be 70%, and if you're looking for Ninja profile, then if you have clear successfully foundation section, then your chances will be high for Ninja profile. But digital we have discussed, at least one code you have successfully run, and second at least you have attempted and any test case passed, then so your chances are high for digital profile. So how you can prepare for interview guys after 3rd of September? So no need to worry for interview. Some of you have texted me on Instagram about interview. So guys, I am also making content for your interview preparation, so no need to worry, and don't search more. In detail I will made 5 to 10 videos, so if you watch all those videos and follow my instruction, then you are able to clear this TCS exam for interview TR and HR and also. Okay guys, what you gonna do after 3rd September means from 3rd of September guys, totally TCS exam has been over for all slots. Okay, so after your exam guys, don't wait for result. Okay, immediately start preparing for interviews, and for this I will made one dedicated video, and keep applying for other company also. So prepare for interviews. After 1 or 2 days I will made one video how you can prepare for interviews. Okay, but in this video guys, I hope your doubt has been clear about result and cutoff. So 70% and all this thing we have discussed. So thank you for watching guys, and keep learning.